what's going on, guys? I just got back from getting a haircut. Our AC vent gauge or vent pod arrived here, and we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing real quick here in the car and kind of do a really short install on this thing. So just in case you guys are interested in this product, you guys can know how to install it and purchase it. I know there's already some instructions out there, but I thought a video would be nice too. So let's go ahead and do this and see you guys in a minute. Gone ahead and open it up. Here is the gauge pod. It's 3D printed, so as you can see all the little squigglies. If you don't like that, you can easily just sand this down a little bit, apply a little bit of Bondo, sand it some more until it's smooth, and then spray paint it all black. I'm just gonna install it the way it is. This is an AC vent pod for a 2015 and up WRX and STI. It says 15 through 17. I don't know if there's any difference in the interior from the 18s and up, but that is what this says. And it's from Driveway Tuning. So there's Driveway Tuning on Etsy. We're gonna go ahead and install this. Okay, we're gonna start off by doing the exact same thing we did last time. We're gonna do flathead. If you had a little plastic trimmer piece, it'd be nice because you can save your plastic from getting scratched up. You're just gonna pry it right down here, pull it off. You're gonna undo this little bolt right here, or screw with a cross tip, and you should be able to just pop that off like that. I'm gonna go ahead and start try to pull off this vent if I can. It's on there, man. I'm telling you, once you kind of prep that area with the alcohol, whoa, man, that took a lot of force just to get that off. It'll stick pretty good on there, so let's just hope that we can actually get our gauge out of here. Okay, so let me get you a better view. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to pry around the AC vent. I don't have any of the fancy plastic tools, so I'm just going to use a flat tip and kind of wedge it in there. It should be easy because the dash is kind of mushy, if that makes any sense. So you're going to want to get this in there. There we go. Sorry if that looks painful to you guys. Just gotta keep just trying to wiggle it around. It's kind of tough. It's got a slight like seal around it, so it's kind of tough. Come on. Ooh, that looks violent. I'm sorry. So it's right here, you can see the two clips. You're gonna pry around there and then kind of pull it up. Okay, next we're going to pop off all those clips around there. Just be careful. Kind of hard because then the tabs keep falling down. Then you got to kind of put this side as well. Once you do it, there we go. Then this back side is actually pretty easy. Oh man, I just almost popped it back in. There we go. Kind of push with your fingers. I need a little bit more etching out. There we go. Okay, we got it out. Now that it's out, we got to kind of remove all the little flaps and stuff out the way. So just kind of go ahead and try that out. So basically you want to kind of pry it, like kind of pull from the side and it'll pop out. Like once you get that first one going, all the other ones come out like really easy. So I'm kind of pulling it. No matter which side, whichever one's easier. Okay, and then we gotta do the inside ones as well. So that's gonna be the same thing, about the same process. So, except a lot easier. Look at that. Now that that's out, and then now let's kind of get our gauge and let's get that piece or the vent ready. So should fit into here pretty good. There's this little tab on the side. If you see this, you're gonna get that tab, put it right here, align it. Make sure you don't pop this thing out again. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Put the tab in, align it in there, and then kind of try to push this into place. course, it have a gauge like that. Bezel's in, everything's in there. That is pretty much what the finished product looks like. It doesn't look bad. And then now you're just gonna pretty much route these wires through the area, because you could see already. Let me see if I can get you guys there. Okay, you can't really see, but this whole area is opened up now. Like, I can reach my whole hand through each side and stuff like that. And that's the perfect time to start routing your wires now. I already got my wires ready, and I already know I'm gonna need a lot of zip ties to really organize this and make it look neater. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I've put the wires inside there, ran them through here. I just removed that little panel that was there, so I don't really need it. So all I gotta do is simply push this back into place, and we have our wires now installed. Now with these wires hanging underneath, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start zip tying these, making it look a lot cleaner, because I don't like having, you know, a bunch of spaghetti everywhere. I'm done installing the driveway tuning vent pod. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like now. There it is. Looks like a pod inside of a AC vent. No, I mean, it's more than that, but you know, it just gives it a nice clean appearance, and I really like the look of this. I like this option. It's just very clean, very simple, and it was easy to install. So if you guys are looking for a different option, go ahead and check out Driveway Tuning. I'll put a link in the description for it, but he does sell on eBay as well as on Etsy. That's really it for this video. So I didn't mean to release another video so soon. It's just this arrived today and figured I might as well knock it out and film it while I do it. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please hit the notification bell so you guys can be alerted whenever I do release more videos. I'm slowly getting the parts for the custom oil cooler in the mail. Hopefully by the end of this week we should have everything. It's just been kind of slow because of the whole COVID-19 thing. It's affecting a lot of the shipping, so please bear with me, and hopefully we'll have that video out sometime this weekend. Alright, I'll see you guys later.